easy tip with you that I have learned over the years and haven't used it recently, but started using it again. And it has really simplified one step in the kitchen for me. I have a recipe that I really enjoy. My whole family likes it. It's called jalapeno popper chicken casserole. So if you like jalapeno poppers, which is just a jalapeno with cream cheese wrapped in bacon, and then you bake it or grill it, you will probably really like this casserole. And I will put the link to the recipe below. But one of the things it calls for is shredded chicken. And I don't know about you, I hate shredding chicken because I feel like it takes me forever. And so I bet you didn't know that you can shred meats in your KitchenAid stand mixer. So I'm going to show you how to do that. My chicken just finished here. I've got it cooking in my Instant Pot. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it in my KitchenAid stand mixer and show you how it works. All right, let's go. Okay, so now I've got my chicken in my bowl that has just come out of my Instant Pot, which I love. That's another video. All you're going to do is you're going to put your beater attachment on. Don't judge mine, it's really old. Put it down, lock it in place, and just do that. Now I don't do it for a long time, but I do it on the slow setting, and I just make sure that all my pieces get shredded. Now some of these bigger pieces here, I might need to move a little bit more into the center, but I mean, that's it. So here we go. So in a matter of minutes, my chicken is shredded. It's ready to go in my casserole. Now I know what you might be thinking. Okay, Tiffany, we just dirtied up a dish. Now I gotta I have to clean my stand mixer bowl and my beater attachment. Honestly, I don't care. It is worth not having to shred chicken to do a little bit of extra dishes, and I just throw it in my dishwasher anyway. So that's super easy. I've done chicken, I've done pork this way, I've made some good barbecue shredded pork sandwiches, and this has been a lifesaver. You can cook your chicken in your Instant Pot or a slow cooker, just whatever, but once that chicken gets, or whatever meat you're doing gets nice and cooked and really tender and soft, it just falls apart and it's completely shredded for you. So I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you haven't had a chance yet, subscribe to my channel, click that little button so you can get notified whenever I do send out new videos. You'll be notified right away. I appreciate you guys watching, and from my kitchen to yours, have a wonderful day.